I'm Diane. I live in Windsor Locks and I had my bathroom done by NEWPRO. I have a handicapped son who has vision problems, so he had trouble getting in and out of the tubs. I just decided that we're going to make it easier on him. So I felt better knowing he was getting in and out of the shower safely. There was a lot to choose from. I had my son help me. He saw what we got and he loved that, and it actually matched the paint in the bathroom, so it's like, well, we're going with that. He didn't want the doors, so he wanted a shower curtain, so we decided to go with the shower curtain. So much easier. I feel so much better. My son going in and out, he actually can turn it on and off by himself, where the other one he had trouble. He loves it. Now he wants to get in there and take a shower and stuff, where the bath, it was hard for him to climb over, and I was always afraid he was going to fall, and so he never really wanted to get in there. But now he does. It was amazing to see the quality of it and how fast they could put it in, and they were very courteous and neat and made sure the floors were covered so nothing got on the floor, and they were picking up everything even outside on the driveway where they did stuff. So I was very impressed. They were fast, wonderful people to deal with from beginning to end.